Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope that you all are doing great. So, I guess you would have seen the thumbnail and title by now. Zoom has been a sensation for the past couple of months. But is it really safe to use Zoom on your devices? Well, let's find out. So, how do we know that Zoom has security issues? Well, it is being banned left and right by companies like Google, SpaceX, NASA, Australian Army, and the whole country of Taiwan. It must have some security flaws that all of these organizations are worried about. Zoom has had security flaws from a long time. A major one being that Zoom installer effectively converted your computer into a server, which made it really easy for any hacker to join your call or look through your webcam with just a few clicks. That is creepy. In their defense, Apple did release a patch to fix the issue in their OS, but there are many other security issues too. First, it is super easy to bypass into someone's account in Zoom without knowing their password. Yes, you just have to copy the URL of the confirmation page and paste it into your browser, and well, you are in, just like that. And if you have an organization using the same domain name for all its employees and you get access to the ID of one of its employees, you can effectively access all the other accounts. And I'm not even a hacker, so imagine what an experienced hacker could do with this sort of information. To add icing to the cake, Zoom uses a rather weak encryption as compared to softwares like Skype, which made it even more vulnerable. Also, if you try random code of numbers as meeting code using a software, then you can quickly get access to one of the meetings where a hacker may disrupt the call or even listen to your confidential conversation, which is not good. Zoom also has been routing a lot of traffic from servers in China, which is really unnecessary in my opinion if you are using the app in India, Europe, or the US. And we all know that there is no such thing as data privacy in China. Yeah, I said it. And if this wasn't enough, there are a lot of fake installers which look just like Zoom but straight up steal your IDs and passwords. Now, this is not the company's fault at all, but again, it increases the security issues even more. At the time when I'm making this video, more than 500,000 accounts are on the dark web for sale at less than a cent each. So, what can you do if you have to keep using Zoom? I know not using it is not an option for many of you, as you can't convince your schools and organizations to just stop using Zoom. Instead, I have 3 tips to keep your data safe. Firstly, only install Zoom from its original website and not a third party. This would make sure that the installer is legit and has not been tampered with by hackers, as I mentioned earlier. Second, always use a strong password in your meetings. This may not make your meeting unbreachable, but to crack such strong passwords, it takes a really huge amount of time. Until then, your meeting would be long over. Lastly, after everyone has joined your meeting, you can just log the meeting to ensure that no unwanted person can join after that. If you follow all these 3 steps, then you should be good to go. So that was all for this video. Let me know, does your organization still uses Zoom or have they switched to another more secure app? Also, before clicking off this video, please make sure that you have liked and subscribed to our channel to support us in reaching our goal of 1000 subs. Thank you for watching. This is me, Avichal Suneja, signing off.